I hope that you did it, and now we can argue and read these these statements again and try to decide if we can use these statements as learning outcomes. First one is learn. Let me take a pen. Okay, learn the composition of a unicellular microorganism. What does it mean to learn? You can learn, and without any results, you can learn to describe, you can learn to understand, to work with microscope or something like that. So it is not clear, so it's not learning outcome. Then second, explain the effect of light pollution and noise pollution on living creatures. Okay, we can accept that. Understand the reasons of changes in properties of materials which happen on a nanoscale. It's clear that it is about the reasons of changes in properties of learning materials, but it's not clear what does it mean to understand. This word understand, it is not very clear in the context of learning outcome, because what does it mean to understand? To explain, to work with. So again, I would advise to use another verb instead of understand. And then apply elementary mathematical function. Apply is fine. Elementary mathematical functions, we like it. But where, in what context we would like to apply elementary mathematical functions? For example, linear function is elementary mathematical function, and probably primary school kids can apply in some context. But if you look at some more complex mathematical function, they can build and we can work and model neural networks with that. So it's not something that we can just omit this context. And then the fifth one, it is find reliable internet sources on the neural networks. That's fine. Okay. Present a topic related to project management to general audience in English based on given literature. That's very, very good, because we know how to proceed with assessment of this learning outcome to see if a certain student learner are able to present a topic according to these rules that we described in this learning outcome statement. Then to use orthography handbooks in order to comply with an orthographic norm. Yeah, okay. Maybe this handbook is not physical handbook, maybe it's digital, but it's very, very important to know how to use it. And then final, engage with relevant stakeholders to find innovative and sustainable solutions to specific problems in IT industry. It can be related to the entrepreneurial skills, but I'm not sure if we can see and observe this engagement and assess if students or some other learner is fulfilling this learning outcome. So instead of engage, maybe can be work on strategic plan together, or produce strategic plan together with the relevant stakeholders. It's not so bad, but it's not very clear with this engage here. Okay, I hope that we at least explain some of these decisions.